Hey, it's AP, and today we're fixing a leaky faucet. Check it out. Now this video is going to cover how to fix a Moen cartridge faucet. A Moen cartridge faucet literally is a faucet with handles that has these little cartridge things inside of them. So if you have those, then you're in the right spot. For my particular purposes, this is a Roman bathtub faucet. And I had to actually Google what the heck that meant. But pretty much I needed a particular type of cartridge for the Roman bathtub versus your regular bathroom sink faucet. I needed the 124B version of the cartridge. Don't get confused when you are setting up to replace your bathtub faucet and get the 124 cartridge, because it'll be a wee bit too small for your needs and you'll have to return it and then buy the right one. So if you're fixing your bathtub faucet, 124B. If you're fixing your sink faucet in your bathroom, it's just a 124. It might be something else, but in my bathroom, it's the 124 series. All right, we're gonna go fix this leaky faucet, and it's super easy to do, so let's do it. So first thing you have to do is you have to shut the water off. Now I had to go into the basement and shut off our water. You might have access to your water shutoffs at the tub itself. We don't, so I had to do it at the basement. So now there's no water coming to this bathroom at all. But you have to do that, otherwise water's gonna get everywhere. You will need a special tool, and I will leave the link to this in the description below. This is special for the Moen cartridges. It helps get the cartridge out. You will also need a screwdriver, and you might need a pair of pliers or two. All right. Oh, and then of course you need your cartridges. I'll leave, again, the link to these in the description below. So, like I said, super easy. First, these things just unscrew. Just turn it around. Done. Step one, done. Next, you take your special tool and you just pop it down. It will fit. There's kind of slots. It'll fit in the slots. And I'm just going to undo it. This is why you need that special tool, because it goes in deep. This piece here actually holds down the cartridge. So we just keep turning, turning, turn, turn, turn. Okay. Then we take our pliers, and if you can see here, there's this little hole. There's one on both sides. You stick your pliers in there, and it helps you pull out the cartridge. I've watched a couple of videos on how to do this, and folks would spend many minutes and lots of strength to try to get this out by pulling it, and that is not the way to do it. Use science. There you go. Oh, and yes, this one was clearly busted because now water is coming out all over the place. But this is the cartridge. And let's grab a towel here. Okay. So now what we can do, we take our screwdriver, we unscrew the cartridge. This is the old one. You then take the new one. All right, so now I'm going to put this back on. And it's going to screw on. There we go. Don't over tighten it. Just let it naturally do its thing. There we go. All right, and then this will go, so that is on, and I'm just going to push it down. So it's nicely seated. And then we're going to put this back on. And remember that the valve is open right now. Again, don't over tighten it. And then believe. There we go. And I'm happy to report the leak is gone. Now this process took about 15 minutes. It's super straightforward and easy to do. I highly recommend saving yourself a call to the plumber and just doing it yourself. If you think this video could help somebody, then please share it with them. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's not just DIY home improvement stuff. I'm also doing model making, cosplay, furniture making, all kinds of stuff, plus fixing stuff around the house, which my wife really appreciates. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.